Do you know something? Every year begins the same way. January arrives and we feel unstoppable. New goals, new habits, new promises. This year will be different for a few weeks. Discipline feels easy, energy feels high. You wake up earlier, you write your plans, you move with intention. But then February comes, momentum slows, and excuses return. By March, most of the goals are forgotten. Not because you're incapable, not because you're weak, but because you were relying on emotion. Motivation feels powerful, but motivation fades when the excitement disappears. What remains? If there is no structure, old habits take control, and the year quietly slips away month after month until December arrives. And you say the same words again. Next year will be my year. When the year arrived, you did start strong last year, then gave up by March, then again in January next year. Same thing. Giving up the pattern is repeating before you know it. Already 10 years have passed by. You said to yourself, time flies. Let me ask you something. How many times have you said that? How many Januaries have passed with the same pattern? Listen carefully. There is nothing wrong with you, nothing missing, nothing broken. You don't need more motivation. From childhood to adulthood, we build patterns. We repeat thoughts, we repeat behaviors, we repeat emotional reactions. Over time, those repetitions become identity, and identity controls behavior. That's why people stay the same. That's why people read books, watch motivational videos, attend seminars, but still stay the same. The truth about motivation and inspiration are not enough, but most of us were taught motivation is the answer. In reality, motivation is just a spark. It can ignite you, but it does not last long. You feel inspired today. Tomorrow, the feeling fades. The real fuel that keeps you moving forward is synergy. Not hype, not emotion, but synergy. When these align, you generate power. That power doesn't depend on motivation. It becomes self-sustaining and self-motivating. You will not wait for anyone's permission. When your character changes, a new identity is born. You start thinking differently. You speak with confidence. You walk with purpose. You use your time like someone who knows they're destined for success. The real question is, how do you create synergy? That's what most people never learn. Everything you need to become extraordinary already exists within you. You just need the right structure to unlock it. Your brain is like a muscle. If you train it with consistency, it changes. Not in years or months, but just in 3 weeks. That's why I created a 21-day structured transformation framework. 3 phases: caterpillar, awareness and foundation, cocoon discipline and identity rewiring, butterfly execution and confidence. Inside that system, we teach you how to create synergy, so you don't need constant motivation. You become the motivation. What happens in 21 days? Week 1, mental fog starts clearing. You become aware of your patterns. You will have new characters. Week 2, discipline begins to stabilize. You rely less on emotion, more on structure. Habits adapt as a natural part of life. Week 3, you start acting like a different person. More clarity, more focus, more control. Alignment creates momentum. If you're tired of starting over every Monday, if you know you're meant for more, maybe you don't need more motivation. Maybe you need structured identity training and real internal synergy. Follow this page. I'll be sharing more step by step. You need a system. You need structured mindset training. You need synergy between your thoughts, actions, and execution. Extraordinary people don't restart every year. They build systems that carry them forward even when they don't feel inspired. Imagine reaching December 2026, stronger and more disciplined mentally and physically, mentally sharper. Don't let this year 2026 slip by, not again. Take action. Decide that this is the year you stop restarting and start transforming. Because ordinary is not your destiny, but extraordinary is. If you are interested, our 21-day challenge masterclass. Stay tuned and learn more. Click the link below. See you in the masterclass. Have a great year. Bye for now.